Michael, welcome. Thank you for coming, many of you, again, to listen to these teachings that we will continue. We already taught how to say good night. We also talk about good evening. And here we at this time, this lesson, it's going to be about Lubanga, which is the morning when you get up from your bed, when you see the first people, when you see people, or people come to your house, or you see people, of course, you say good morning to them. And so in Kiluba, you say Tuba Imuna. Here's what I prepare for you. In Kiluba, we'll talk about Tuba Imuna. So Luimu, which greetings with Luimu, and Rwanda it's morning. So we will say Tuba Imunai, which means a good morning. The person who answer Eyo Vidie or Eyo Moi if it's a woman. By now, I guess most people who are listening, they know they're not going to say Eyo Vidie when they are female. If they are male, they're not going to say Eyo Moi. I'm trying to emphasize on it over time. I'm not going to be talking about it over and over. But still, by now, I believe most of us will know how to answer. Otherwise, it's going to be embarrassing you sitting in a group of people. They say, Tuba Imunai, and you are a woman, and say, Eovidi, and say, what? They will be questioning that. Most people question that, what's going on. So please, let's retain that. Tuba Imuna, you say, Eovidi, if you are a male or a man, and if you are a woman, you say, Eyomwa. It's a very angelic voice. So that's what I can tell you in this step. Tuba Imuna, you respond Eyovidie, which is good morning. The response is good morning. Then we go Sapulanga, we say how are you? The answer will be the A says Sapulanga, and then the B will answer Biyampe Mpata. Biyampe, say Biyampe, Dibiyampe. So you can say Biyampe or Dibiyampe. This is well responded, I think. You say I am fine, Dibiyampe, or Biyampe, which means fine. You don't have to. This is really the American way, so you don't have to give the long sentence or the long answers. You say fine. So you respond, Biyampe wafuako, which means I'm fine, thank you. Then the person you said thank you will say back to you, Eyo Vidie or Eyo Moi. Okay? So that's the teaching today. I'll repeat it a little bit more so that we can retain. So the greetings in the morning is Tuba Imuna, and then response is Eyo Vidie, which means good morning. Then you respond, good morning. Then you can ask the question, Sapulanga, which means how are you? And the response is Biyampe, I'm fine. Or Ndi Biyampe, which says I'm fine. Then I'm fine, Wafuako, which means Wafuako, Sapulanga, Ndi Biyampe, Wafuako. And then the person you're talking to will respond, Eyovidie, if it's a male. If it's a female, the person will respond, Eyomwa. Eyomwa. So which is, you welcome. Good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome. That's about it. For what I prepared until now. We'll continue learning. We have a lot of things to learn in Kiluba. It's exciting to dig in little by little. We find out about many little things. Sometimes some things, some stuff we have been talking about, taking them for granted. When I'm trying to teach them, I find out, oh my God, this is interesting. This is different. Like what we just learned, as I was explaining, that the person said, Bibimpata. Of course, Bibimpata means bad, very. Bad, very, if you want to translate it literally. Bad, very. And so Kiluba transformed those things, and in English you say very bad. and in Kiluba you say bad very. So you can translate literally. So in Kiluba, very bad means bibi bata. So looking forward talking to you, looking forward learning more. We have more to learn. I'm going to try to stay a little bit on the conversation, on welcoming people until after that I will go forward. So I will mix things little by little, and I will be moving. Before you know it, I will be far away from this. I will leave this time of greetings, and I'll go to other teachings. So we have a lot of things to learn. I have too many little topics in my head. I guess over time, before we end the year, some of us will be speaking Kiluba fluently. I can't wait to hear from you. I can't wait to hear from those of us who are very passionate to learn the Kiluba. And please let me know, and if there is something I can do more to improve. God bless you, and see you later. Shalapo.